just we consider a point P. This point P position is the x dot y. X means x-axis displacement and y means y-axis displacement. Okay. In a horizontal position, the speed is always constant. Means this side speed is always constant. This speed is the u cos theta. So u cos theta, speed means distance by time, and distance is the x and time is small t. So x divided by t. So t equals to x divided by u cos theta. Clear? T equals to x divided by u cos theta. This is the equation of motion. Means we know the four equation of motion. First one, v equals to u plus at, and second, v square is equal to u square plus 2s, and third, s is equal to ut plus half of at square. So use the third equation. S is equal to ut plus half of at square. We know the gravity is working to the downwards, and the displacement means the vertical displacement. This is the y. So y equals to u means the speed of the vertically, u sin theta, u sin theta into t minus half of g t square. To t minus half of g t square. Already we find out the value of the t. Just we put this value of the t. So y equals to u sin theta and t value x by u cos theta minus half of g t square means x square divided by cos square theta. X square divided by cos square theta. So final equation y equals to u cancel out tan theta x minus g x square divided by 2 u square. This is the u square. 2 u square cos square theta. 2 u square cos square. This is the trajectory equation of projectile. Actually, this equation is compared to the parabolic equation. We know the parabolic equation y is equal to ax minus bx square. This is the hyperabolic equation. Hyperabolic equation or parabolic equation. This is the shape is the hyperabolic. Okay, follow this equation and we find the a equals to tan theta and b equals to g divided by 2 u square cos square theta. This is the most important equation. Every exam, JEE Main and NEET one question in every year, each and every year. So next class we discuss the numerical.